it's me again, and today we're going to practice how to read in Spanish. First, you have to know we have 5 vowels, and we represent them with 5 different sounds. A, E, I, O, U. And that's it. I know in English, you represent these 5 letters with 15 different sounds, but we only have 5 letters and 5 sounds. A, E, I, O, U. That's it. Another thing that you have to know is the letter R in the beginning of the word is very strong. For example, in the word rana, frog. Rana, it's in the beginning and it's a strong sound. Rana. If you want to represent this strong sound in the middle of the word, for example, perro, you have to add another R. It's double R. Perro, perro. It's very different from rana. It's in the beginning and it's strong. In the middle of the word, you have to add another R to make it strong. Okay? Perro. If the R is soft, it's just one R. For example, Peru. America is a soft sound. Peru. America. Different from perro, rana. Strong. You see? Another thing that you have to know is that ga sound, as in casa, a house, is going to be represented with letter C and letter A. C-A. Ga. Casa. Okay? The sound que is represented with Q-U-E. Q-U-E. Que. Que sound, as in queso, cheese. Another sound, ki sound. Ki is represented with Q-U-I. Q-U-I. Ki. For example, in the word quiero, I want. Quiero. Sound ki. Okay? Ko sound, you have to represent it with Z and letter O. C-O. For example, in the word coco. Coco. It goes with letter C and O. Go. Coco. For the Q sound, you have to represent it with C and letter U. C-U. Q. For example, in the word cuchara. Cuchara, which means spoon. These are just some things for you to start practicing reading. You have some exercise for you to practice, but this is just part 1 because we have other sounds with different letters. Okay, so please continue practicing and see you next time. Bye-bye.